Umitrang ba ka jalau konrat sangma manta ka singi ka arfar trek jemang lalum ya ka jingalang bat ki bor penya district ka North Garo Hills district ban pen khre kumnu ban ye khun persha e ka khlam covid. Umitrang ba ulalait ru ban jurep e ka community health center harusubal para ban jurep iki caka bat ban te iki caka sumar. Habakran sikilat patai ku bor umitrang ba ula pentep ula dep ban patha iki bor penya district ban pen bu ni jingthia ha ki caka sumar kumju ru ban pen byang iki oxygen. Ula pentip ru bo unsabu eko oxygen plant hapo katika CHC pat ban penbiang oxygen hagi khasan teli ke jingthia.
We have just visited the CHC in Risibel Para to see the preparations and the infrastructure setup that has been done here in the district. The cases are not that high, but still we need to be prepared. So therefore, I have given necessary instructions that we need to increase the number of beds and increase the oxygen supply system also. So we are planning to have an oxygen plant set up here. So that site also has been seen. So 150 liters per minute plant will be set up in the CHC here in Risu, and it will cater to approximately 15 beds with high flow oxygen. So we had a review meeting also with the district medical health officer and with the deputy commissioner, and we also discussed about the vaccine drive, and vaccination drive also is going on well. We have covered almost 50% of the 45 plus category, and as and when the vaccinations are made available, we will also ensure that other population also gets it as quickly as possible.